Hello, this is AO with AO Automotive Reviews back again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for listening. I know it's dark, and the reason why it's dark is because I figured to do this in the dark because you can easily see the dash. And I'm going to try to go over things real quickly. Before in our last video we talked about the display, and today we're going to talk about the Intellisafe feature. And we're going to turn around and take a look at the settings. And as you see, the settings, we're in my car, and we covered displays, and so we won't go over there too much. And so we're looking at Intellisafe, and so we're looking at the Intellisafe feature. So what I'll do, I'll just touch the Intellisafe, and Intellisafe starts off with the city safety warning. And basically you choose your preferred collision warning timing, and so you can either choose late, or you can choose normal, or you can choose early. Now basically what that means is that this system acts within milliseconds, really fast, and only using milliseconds. I might not be using the right scientific term, but I'm just using that to show you how quickly the system acts in play to offer you protection. So you had the choice late, or normal, or early. Those are the systems that you choose with the city safety warning system. And with that, within that Intellisafe feature, the Intellisafe module is actually located right here. I don't know if you can see that, folks, but it's behind the mirror. That's the Intellisafe system. That's where the lidar system is, and where the laser is also working, and the cameras are also working in conjunction with each other for your safety, thanks to Volvo technology. So you have also with that what we talked about earlier. Right now it is gone, but right where the park brake is, there used to be there's two lines, but you don't see that now, because right now we are in park. But if I put the car into reverse, or now if I put it back in drive, it'll come up. But right now it knows that we're at the house, so you're not going to see it. But there's two lines represent the streets. The two lines are the white line and the yellow line, and it uses the lidar system to keep the car in line, and also moves the car back. And so it can either assist you or assist you back into the corner, or into, not the corner, but into the lane, or it can do both, or it can give you just an audible warning, which is nice. It just depends upon what you want and how to use it, and how you want it to be used. And then you have you also have road sign information. Here you have sign detection in traffic situations, and then what you do is you click that, and when you click it, you learn that you have what they call the speed limit warning, and speed limit warning with adjustable deviation, and you hit the check mark on that, and that's just to give you the speed limit warning. Now the speed limit warning is basically, let's go back to the gauge cluster, and if you see that little red line above the 20 is the red line speed limit warning, which is 25, and that's the speed limit warning. You can also choose the audible warning, which when it gets past 25, or when it gets there, it'll go ding. That's the audible warning. And then you have a choice to choose between the speed limit miles per hour. You can choose above the speed limit warning, or you can even go down low. And it just depends. When you get close to the speed limit, it'll warn you before you even get there. I never really used that feature, but that's pretty cool. So if you wanted to warn you when you're 20 miles per hour, you like heads up, so you don't want a citation. So that's pretty interesting. I like that. And it also has what they call the road sign audible warning. Now the road sign audible warning alerts for speed and prohibition warning, and you hit the check mark. You just click on it and the check will show up. to let you know about the road sign warranty. Now the road sign, as you can see, we'll go back. You see the road sign that says 25. Now all the road signs will appear there, regardless of what kind of road sign it is, construction, deaf child, or anything that has. The system knows that road sign and it'll put it right there just to warn you what that road sign is, and that you know there's a particular hazard that awaits that's there. Now the system is right here, and you set the system. It goes up by increments of 5. See, we're at 10 right now, and then we can set it to go down. We can either go down to, looks like it just went to 20. So 0. So regardless of what arrow you press, I guess it goes up. It doesn't go into the minus. So I just learned that. So 10, 5, 0, 20. So it goes, it doesn't go into minus. And I always have mine at 0. Let's see. So that's the 0 that I have it set at. So that's the speed limit warning, folks. And that is the Intellisafe feature. And as you see, it's starting getting dark, and I'm starting to hear the crickets. But that's just the Intellisafe, which covers also what they call the speed camera audible warning. It has to let you know that there's a speed camera. This system uses the Google system, and the Google system, you know, determines where the speed cameras are, and the system in the car, you know, which works in conjunction with Google, will warn you, you know, of the speed cameras. Now I don't know if it works like red light cameras, but I think it might work in conjunction with those. It just determines, you know, if Google updated their system, and that is working. And let's go back, and then let's go back one more. And again, that is the Intellisafe feature. And we got a few other things. You know, there's going to be videos for the individual driving mode, and light and lightning, and mirror, and convenience, locking, and parking brake, and suspension, and wipers. That's just, there's going to be different videos for that. And I want to, again, this is just to let you know that I appreciate you guys coming to my channel, and I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you for giving me the time. I appreciate you for commenting. I appreciate your thumbs up, your thumbs down. I still appreciate you. Show much love. You can comment how I can add to my content, or how can I, you know, effectively come across to enrich my audience and to give you guys just a blessing, you know, and because it's a blessing that you guys come to my channel and that you give me your attention and your audience. Again, thank you very much, and thank you. Remember, can't forget the words. Remember, love, show love. I show love to you too. Have a good day. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Peace out.